Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A pleasant good day to you, my viewers and subscribers. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you all are in good spirits. You know, so me go kick it off like this today because Jano, me just can't wait for me to know wagwan. Here this you know. So, this your MP you know, when name Terrorland. That's him name? Can I even call him name good? Terrorland. Pan IG, him go by the name of the Clock Wonder. Yeah? He goes by the name of the Clock Wonder pan IG. Alright. And him repost this now. This is why me are showing this here. Look at this. Look at that. You have Andrew Holness, a Bruce Gold in that, and two other PNP. Two other PNP picture. And wanna see what Terrorland do? Wanna see what him do? Him black them out. Terrorland black them out, my viewers and subscribers. Him black out the PNP leader them. You can't imagine that. I want leader this, you know. Say he is a MP, you know. Say he's a MP. He represent the Jamaica Labour Party. And he reposted this on his page. He reposted this on the page. And black out the PNP, the former PNP Prime Minister them. And that this a man do, you know. And them a people here we want to lead with. Let me ask you something, Jamaica. Is these are the type of people we want to lead with? Who the hell Terrorland or when one name think him is? Who the hell him think him is? If you go up on the IG page, you can check him out. He go by the name on IG page as the Clock Wonder. And him repost this 17 hours ago at the time. At the time it was 17 hours ago yesterday. But me just talk about it today. You understand me? Yeah. You can't imagine. What Andrew Holness do and Bruce Golding do, that is good. What Andrew Holness do and Bruce Golding do, that is good. You know, say appear disrespect, these people are disrespect people. The former Prime Minister them, this Amania are disrespect. Tell my viewers and subscribers, talk truth. What type of leader Terrorland or Terrordan or whatever in thinking name is? What kind of leader you think he is? And this is somebody Andrew send over England to come represent we. This is somebody we are black. You see no other Prime Minister do that? You see no other Prime Minister in a Fidem territory black out the former Prime Minister them picture? You no ever see that? No country no do that. And Jamaica alone do these stupid things. This is why I'm showing you up. Because you don't have no manners and out hard and bright. Terrorland or what you want name. You're bright and you're out of bad. You're feisty. You know, no manners and no respect for the Jamaican people. How dare you black out the former Prime Minister them picture? Who the hell you think you is? So my wisdom warriors, Portia Simpson Miller, one of them, you know. Portia Simpson Miller, one of them face in cover. But the thing what I like with them now, they don't like take accountability for things that they do. Anytime them do nothing, they never take accountability for it yet. Never ever. Let me show you now. Hear this you know. This is what he come out and say. So my wisdom warriors, him tweet this. And he said, I was advised of stories posted by one of my team members with access to my social media. Not in keeping with my style of posting, he was instructed to remove all stories posted to the account immediately. And I have since removed him from access to all my social media accounts. Who believe this here? Because him can't say anything. Him can't say anything in not even show we. A picture of the team members. So how we believe you? You can't say anything. He can't come out and just say that my viewers and subscribers fi cover him back. Because look, a Portia Simpson Miller this hug him up. I'm sure no say he must see it. He must see that. So if he see it, I first thing he should do. You understand? But guess what? You see, a team members, let me tell you something if you don't know. You see, the team members is a reflection of the person. A team members is the reflection of a person. And may I tell you the truth? I don't believe this crap. What he must say, I do not believe him. I don't believe nothing will come out of my mouth. I do not believe. I not say, I not saw it going on my viewers and subscribers, but you know, so me have to talk my mind. Me have to talk my mind. I do not believe and I disagree because when it was posted on film page, when you have your family, them picture them pan, so you make one of your team members, them, one of your team members have access to your page where you put all your family picture them pan, make it make sense. My wisdom warriors, look at this here. Notice on the story, when it was posted, it was written, big things happening in Jamaica, taking the message to the diaspora. See you in Kingston, June 16 to 19. And in black, see, and see, 4 picture in cover there. Look on the one there. In left out Bruce Golding, in left out Siaga, in left out Andrew Only. So this must a PJ Patterson, I think, a PJ Patterson and Portia Simpson Miller. Yes. At them, Kupa him too. Kupa and Terry Lang too. You understand? And then him come say, oh, I'm team members. From your team members are you? Because the team members is a reflection of you. You understand? Your team members is a reflection of you. And you come out and you say your team members do it. We don't know that. You can't say anything for cover your back. You understand? And as far as me see, I do not believe this crap. I'm going to say it already. I do not believe my viewers and subscribers. Anyway, so Damian Mitchell repost this. And he said, what really could have inspired one to use images of the Jamaican flag to block the images of former Prime Minister PJ Patterson and Portia Simpson Miller? These posts were taken from the Instagram stories of Jamaica's State Minister for Foreign Affairs, Orlando Terelang. My viewers and subscribers, them a person here is going abroad and representing us. Them a people here go abroad. Look how much things PJ Patterson and Portia Simpson has done for Jamaica. Look how many things. Look how much things they done for Jamaica. For Terry Lang and him people them. For come and disrespect them. Terry Lang, all you for step down from your post. The whole town we feel like you can walk and disrespect. Me tell you why you behave like that. A true Andrew Oldness no have no manners and respect. And that's why you behave like that. True Andrew Oldness no have no behavior. So you follow on the masters and you no have no behavior either. It's just the truth, my viewers and subscribers. And this is unacceptable. Things like this, Terry Lang forget call out for. You understand me? Things like this is wrong. Why him do it? That's why he come on and cover him back and I talk about team members. Your team members is the reflection of you, brother. You understand me? I'm not believe this crap, you know. I tell you already. You understand? But according to him say are the team members. You understand? So everybody can go with the team members. But as far as me, no. I disagree with him. I do not believe him one bit. That no mean say, I'm not true him telling my viewers and subscribers. I just talk my opinion. Anyway, you know, tell me what you think about this and how you feel about it. If you see this man, Terry Lang, that represent Jamaica. May I tell you no man, some people, some type of position when I say Andrew Oldness give them, they not deserve it. Them not deserve it. You understand? Not even Andrew Oldness not deserve fame prime ministership. He not deserve that either. But you tell me one thing and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this. Shadow Minister of Health and Wellness, Dr. Alfred Dawes, urges the Ministry of Health and Wellness to reassess the decision to entrust the storage of bodies from Kingston Public Hospital to the Spanish Town base Archer's Funeral Home. This reconsideration is prompted by the undue inconvenience and financial strain placed on grieving relatives. Compelling them to retrieve their loved ones remains from the establishment located in Spanish Town, diverging from the decades-long practice of a Kingston-based location. So my wisdom warriors, who know about the Archers the Archer's funeral home. Uno know who name Mr. Archer? Uno want me for show you and tell you who is Mr. Archer? Come do my research, you know. Me tell you already, you know. When me come out, you know, man, me I come with evidence. Me do my research. Mr. Archer is the one that owned the funeral home. That is Christopher Tufton friend. I don't know if you remember over Red Hills Division. I think it was in the last year. Red Hill Division the people did come out and they were so upset because they said Christopher Tufton is replacing them councillor with Michael Archer. Who remember that? My wisdom warriors. Let me read this for you. Hear this. St. Catherine West Central Member of Parliament, Dr. Christopher Tufton, has sought to rally disgruntled Jamaica Labour Party supporters amid brewing discontent over the selection of businessman Michael Archer as its standard bearer for the Red Hills Division in the constituency. My viewers and subscribers, may I continue read because me want drag on the memory, you know. Me want to remember last year, you know. Last year when the people them, I think it was maybe October or maybe September, October time, when the people them come out and they were so upset. They were so upset with Christopher Tufton and said, Christopher Tufton, I give them somebody what they not used to. You understand? And they want them councillor to stay. So what Christopher Tufton do? He drop the councillor and put his friend Michael Archer in space of the man. All right, let me read more. Archer, a funeral home director. Wanna hear that? Archer, a funeral home director, was recently given the nod by the JLP over sitting councillor Keith McCook to run on the party's ticket in the looming local government election. My viewers and subscribers, wanna remember me telling you about last year what happened? Then kick out the man, then kick out Keith McCook and put it Christopher Tufton do it. No, lie this. This is the truth. Because I remember there was video clip circling about. May I try to find the video clip. But you don't worry on yourselves. I'm going to find it for you one day. If me not find it, no, maybe by the end of that video, we see it. My viewers and subscribers. Because I has been searching for the video just to show you that little clip. How the people them was so upset with Christopher Tufton removing Keith McCook. And I like to Keith do something, you know. Keith McCook not do nothing at all. But true because a Christopher Tufton friend, Christopher Tufton put him in place. My viewers and subscribers, the people then did a lick out against it. You understand me? Let me continue. Read. So you know, say now, Archer, a funeral home director. So Archer, he's the councillor. You understand? Him are the councillor right now. Him are the bearer, the caretaker, whatever they want to call it right now. Because Christopher Tufton put him there. So the funeral home, where they move, where them move the body and I bring all the way down to Archer's funeral home. The whole all right. Wanna see where me I get to? Wanna see where me I get to? Me not have to talk too much. So wanna see the circles. All right, my viewers and subscribers. Let's continue reading. McCook claimed he was unceremoniously dumped after serving as a councillor for 11 years without a clear cause. Want to hear that, my viewers and subscribers? Keith McCook was the councillor for down a Red Hills Division. And what did Christopher Tufton do last year? He put his friend Michael Archer in place. And the people, they did a leak out and a protest against it. Them never like it. That is the same man that owned the funeral home. Want to see the whole of the body, them have to go down there. When the people then go, forget the body for bring it closer to where them live, them have to pay and fork out money. Okay, all right. My viewers and subscribers. So, you see enough of the time when you see some of them come out and them are going, I just show they want shut up bloggers. You understand me? I just show they want shut up bloggers. But you see when you have the proof, then can't say nothing, you know. Then can't say nothing. Because this according to the paper, and the paper me I go by. My viewers and subscribers, hear more. The move also angered several party supporters. Wanna hear that? The move also angered several party supporters who staged a protest and called for Tufton resignation as member of parliament. Wanna hear that? So on a lie me I tell, I remember there was video clips. I try to find it. Yeah? Tufton broke his silence on the matter during a workers' meeting at Kidson Town Primary School. All right, me go read out that the part the phone of my viewers and subscribers. So, I want to see, in dump Keith McCook. And I like say the people, they never want Keith McCook. The people, them love the man. But Christopher Tufton put him friend in place. And the people then did a little wicked against it, and a man. Yeah, man, because a long time the man did it and the man was doing well. But Christopher Tufton decide, say, I'm going to change the man. According to the paper. My viewers and subscribers, hear more. This is Christopher Tufton speaking at the meeting right now. Here where I say, you will recall that we have a sitting councillor. People, them I telling you, he has served his time and we give him all the credit to the extent that he deserves it. Tufton stated during the meeting where a new divisional executive was elected. There is a process that led to the selection and the appointment of a new councillor caretaker. The person who the Jamaica Labour Party, which is bigger than all of us, has decided. Then if the Jamaica Labour Party decided that, why the people then wouldn't come out? You understand, my viewers and subscribers? Why would the people then come out and was protesting against it? Why they wouldn't come and protest against it then? If I them chose the man, the people, they never happy. And no joke thing, they weren't happy with Christopher Tufton. And then you wonder why the people them not like him. Then you wonder why the people them not give me vote. They wonder why, because of these things him do. And because the people then did I say he remove Keith McCook and never consult none of them. They never have no meeting. They never know say. Then indeed they go remove the man. My viewers and subscribers. You understand? Some of us are showing how things work in a for them favor. And everything as a friend thing and link thing. You understand me? But that's a show no. So Christopher Tufton say the person who the Jamaica Labour Party, which is bigger than all of us, has decided in their wisdom and through due process to put forward as the person who will be on the ballot when that time comes. And that process has taken its course, he explained. You understand? And Christopher Tufton, and the whole of them and the administration get up and just decide to kick out Keith McCook for no reason. There was no reason that the people them did a say. That's why the people then did a protest. My wisdom warrior, let's continue. Hear more. Tufton encouraged party supporters to embrace Archer and campaign alongside him in the division, adding that the elections would be called very, very soon. Nobody knows Michael Archer as a stranger to these meetings, to this community and to this parish. This is what Christopher Tufton tell the people them. He is the official undertaker of these parts, an independent businessman with a tradition and a track record of serving people and always being a part of the Labour Party family. He has always been a worker involved in community projects and is a chairman of an educational institution. He said, making the case for supporting Archer. So my wisdom warriors, so wanna see what is going on. So Archer's funeral home is for a councillor. You understand? It is for Michael Archer. Let me just use the term allege. Even though it is on paper. Let me just use the term allege. You understand? All right. So it is alleged that it is for Michael Archer. Yeah, the funeral home. Remember, as I said before, the body them I go all the way to Archer's funeral home. Remember saying there is funeral home close to KPH hospital. Remember, and when they take the body and fling over Archer's funeral home, when the family them go for the body them have to fork out how much money where they not have. So the family them will live close to the hospital and will live close to the funeral home them where they next to the hospital. They are saying, why not give the body to them, the funeral home? But it has come to my attention, my viewers and subscribers, again, that the government allege. Hey, my viewers and subscribers, listen. And my views, me just have to say it or me get it. But I have to use the term allege because I don't want no come for me, Because I don't want no things I'm rich. Me not have it. So no bother come over here so for me at all. Uno just cut on the eye and pass me. Hear what me I say? Whether I don't like it, yes or no, I don't take time cut on the eye pass. Cause me hot off of the press, do not have no money for nobody. I do not have it. Okay. I have the blessings of the Lord all over me. All right? Right. Not the money part. My viewers and subscribers know. So it is alleged that the government owe the funeral home them. The government owe the funeral home them money. That me I get to understand. And the funeral home them must not want to take no more. It is alleged. Me not sure. This is the information that I have received. My viewers and subscribers. So you know already, you know. Uno know say uno is my wisdom warriors. So me have to make uno know what's going on. Okay. So the government allege owe the funeral home the money. So the funeral home them must say uno have to pay away the money before body can come here. So this is what I heard. This is not my views. Are the people them views. Are people views. You understand? But me have to just me are the messenger, so me have to pass on the message. Yeah, you understand my wisdom warriors? Right there, so. So, government of Jamaica, Andrew Holness, Christopher Tuft and the whole of if uno know say uno owe the funeral home them money, uno go pay the people them blasted money and stop family after dead body them a grieve and a stress out. They don't have no money. They don't have no money. When uno take you all of the body them and can bring all the way down Archer's funeral home. When uno take the body them and bring down a Archer's funeral home and the people them go for them family, go for the dead body them, what make una fear charge them so much money? Una charge them for take a body, for bring come closer to the hospital, closer to them. You understand? The people then say them have to leave. All right. And remember when the lady did come out other day and of course the only thing, remember she was saying it is Christopher Tufton Funeral Home. That is what the lady say. You understand? Which no go like that. Put it like that, my viewers and subscribers. Come in, want nobody come for me over here, so yeah. All right. It is alleged that the lady, well, Lord Jesus, the lady said that. The lady said a Christopher Tufton Funeral Home. Yeah, but it has come to our understanding that it wasn't Christopher Tufton. It is Archers. That a Michael Archer, the counselor for St. Catherine. Yeah, St. Catherine, yes. The counselor for down there, so. Yeah, it was the counselor. It is the counselor funeral home. But the counselor and Christopher Tufton are good friend. Can remember, you know, how the counselor get that the position there. And Christopher Tufton remove Keith McCook and put Michael Archer as a counselor. You understand? So I want to say what go on right. This are my viewers and subscribers. So Christopher Tufton, it is too expensive. So when I hear Dr. Alfred Das come out and talk, he's saying the right thing. He's doing the right thing as a shadow minister. That is what he's supposed to do. He's doing the right thing. So he's reaching out to you. And I tell you, say, it is too much for the family. Family then come out and them a complain. So when the girl come out other day, my viewers and subscribers, and she did a complaint, she is right. Except from the part where she did talk about Christopher Tufton only. Christopher Tufton, same no own no funeral home. Okay, when I do my research, a Michael Archer that owns the funeral home, my viewers and subscribers. And I understand what me I say. And all the body them from KPH are good on the true. The girl was right about that part. The bodies them from KPH are good on all the way far, you know. Remember said there's funeral home next to KPH, you know. Yes, funeral home the next to KPH. So the people they must say it is too expensive. And when them go for the body them must charge them. And it is not right. So all of them something that it's too much stressing, it's too much stress for them. You understand? And the reason, as I said before, why the other funeral home that is closer to KPH now take the body them, it is alleged that the government owe them money. I do not know if it is lie. I do not know if it's true. May I try to do some research for see. Me not find out nothing yet. You understand? So I do not know for sure about that part. But when me know say Michael Archer him own the funeral home for true, and he's the counselor. You understand? So if it all makes sense. So my wisdom warriors, I want to hear what Dr. Alfred does have to say. Hear this.
It is becoming more and more apparent that in the awards process for contracts, the Ministry of Health is not prioritizing the needs of the users of the public healthcare system, and we do not support this practice. We stand with the relatives who, in their period of mourning, are forced to journey here to Spanish Town in order to retrieve the remains of their loved ones, while they should be going through the process of grief. It is a financial burden, it is an inconvenience, and it is absolutely wrong. The Ministry of Health ought to review these contracts.
So my wisdom warriors, wanna hear what Dr. Alfred does have to say. Wanna hear what he have to say. Him say it's a burden and it's a financial strain upon the people them. You understand? And on top of that, he want Christopher Tufton to review. He want the minister to review the contract. So when they say a Archer's funeral home get the whole of the contract them, it seems like it is true. Because he is asking to review the contract them. It must have a reason why I ask him to review the contract. People are not fool around here, you know. People are not fool. Anytime I see people come out and say something, if you not go so, in here fi go so. If you not go so, my wisdom warriors, it near fi go so. So, I hope my information that I brought to you guys mean and you understand what me I try show you. So, the Michael Archer, Mr. Michael Archer, I am own the funeral home and he's the counselor for Red Hills Division. All right? Una tell me what you think about this and put una honest opinion, my wisdom warriors, in the comment section. All right? Anyway, hear this. My wisdom warriors, you know so me always leave the best for last. Cause when attack claps a drop over your side, you know. Hey. Anyway, the pressure is on for the latest IC reports Integrity Commission. Me call it the IC. Pressure on for the latest IC reports to be promptly tabled when Parliament resumes sittings. Jamaicans for Justice says a delay. When I hear this, I know my viewers and subscribers. Jamaicans for Justice says a delay in the tabling of the 5 Integrity Commission reports sent to Parliament on Tuesday will create further distrust of the government by members of the public. I am reading from the article, my viewers and subscribers, so this is according to the article. The Integrity Commission submitted to Parliament 5 reports of investigation. You know, me talk about this yesterday already. But because the party licked me, you know, when they said the Jamaicans for Justice says a delay. Hey, listen to me. Remember me say it, you know, me say Juliet Oldness, do not come and go take no vacation, you know. Or delay nothing, you know, boy, you have different things to deal with because of the drought and all them something there, you know. No bother come with no foolishness, you know. Come and table this out. You understand? Tuesday you come, not later than Tuesday morning, bright and early. We need to hear everything at table out. One behind the other. You understand? We're not depend on joke thing. No joke thing around here. And not only the Integrity Commission alone report. Also, the Director of Corruption and Prosecution sent for them report too. So, everything needs for table out in a one. We don't want you table out one, and then you leave the next one a delay. I wouldn't mind the prosecution one on the table out first. I wouldn't mind that one there on the table out first. My viewers and subscribers. So, the Jamaicans for Justice, I say, when them table out the 5 report, it will create further distrust of the government by members of the public. So right now, the fire blazing, man. They must sweat, you know. Pressure a bust pipe, you know, my viewers and subscribers. So when I hear them start to go come up with little act, just be prepared, my wisdom warriors. Just be prepared, because them are people here we go up high, go down low, fi delay this a thing here, but it not go work. It's not going to work at all because we depend on one, yeah. We depend on one, yeah, my viewers and subscribers, and we not come off. Anyway, wanna tell me what you think about this and how you feel about it, and put on honest opinion in the comment section. While you're at it, like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome and on a big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.